Hi, and welcome to my channel. I am Peter. I build custom cars and trucks, everything with wheels on it, for customers or for myself. In this video I am going to give this Porsche 911 a little makeover. It was standing with my parents' house for a couple of years, so it's really tired and parts are missing or broken. So I'm going to change that and make it, one nice car again. But first let's sand it and put on some primer. After the primer I painted it a new color. It's going to be blue metallic. After 3 coats of blue I let it dry for 24 hours and after that I put on some layers of clear coat. And in the meanwhile, while that was drying, I decided to make the interior a little bit more special. The color turned out exactly how I wanted. And I had a couple of wheels laying around, some voegs. So I think, they will do. The centers of the wheel I painted the same color as the car. And I did the lip silver metallic. And when you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe and share or comment, put on your notifications bell and watch my whole videos please. You help me a lot. Okay, back to the interior. I decided to make a little roll cage. Nothing special, but just that. After that was finished, it was time to rebuild the car. And time for some details, like a black surrounding around the windows and some other things. The car was missing some parts like the door handles, the mirrors, the spoiler and some other minor things. So I used some parts from another Porsche I had laying around. I also made a front splitter and a new spoiler from scratch. And with this the car was almost finished. But I think it was kind of boring, just a car. So I decided to make a little diorama for it. Just a simple diorama, a piece of wood, and I glued there a piece of sanding paper on it, so it looks like tarmac or asphalt. I painted the white stripes and I put on some curbstones. Nothing really fancy, just a quick little rebuild of this Porsche 911. And with this, the project is ending. I want to thank you for watching this video, and when you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, like, share or comment, and I hope I see you the next time. Bye bye.